Hey, it's Nazakat from nazakatmarketing.com. Welcome to my honest, in-depth Canva Pro review. As you can see, I am logged into my actual dashboard right now. I don't just recommend this tool, I use it every single day to run my entire business. There is a lot of hype around Canva right now, but is the Pro upgrade actually worth your money, or is the free version enough? In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes, test the AI features live, and give you my honest verdict. Canva claims you can design anything in minutes with zero skills. That is a massive promise. If you are like me, you've probably struggled with the old way of doing things. Photoshop is expensive, it crashes, and it takes months to learn. Or maybe you've tried hiring freelancers, but you hate waiting hours just to fix a typo on a thumbnail. You need a better solution. So today, we are going to do a live test to see if a total beginner can actually make a professional design in under 5 minutes, or if this is just marketing hype. Let's start the clock. I need a high converting YouTube thumbnail. In the past, this would take me 30 minutes. Watch this. I pick a template, drag it over, and the layout is 90% done. Notice the quality here. These don't look like cheap clip art. They look like a professional designer made them. I can double click to change the text. I can easily change the background, and I can remove any unwanted elements instantly, and look at that, it already looks professional. This is what I call speed of implementation. In business, speed is money. If you can create content this fast, you can publish twice as much as your competition. But here is the real reason people upgrade to Pro. It's the magic AI tools. Look at this photo. Removing this background manually in Photoshop would take me 15 minutes of zooming in and cutting around hair. With Canva Pro, I just click my image and hit background remover, and just like that, it's gone. Look at the edges, it handles perfectly. This one feature alone saves me hours of tedious work every single week. Now let's talk about the cost. Is it worth paying for? Canva Free is generous, but you will hit a wall. You won't get the background remover, magic background features, and premium photos and templates you use. The Pro plan is normally $15 a month, but as you can see, you can often grab it for just $7.50 a month. Honestly, that is less than the price of a sandwich. If you run a business, that $7.50 is cheaper than hiring a designer for even 5 minutes of their time. So, my final verdict? Canva Pro is an absolute must-have. It bridges the gap between expensive professional and total beginner. It saves me time, money, and headaches every day. But don't just take my word for it. You can test every single feature I showed you today completely risk-free. Click the first link in the description below to start your 30-day free trial. Use it to create all the designs you need right now and see for yourself. Thanks for watching.